I'm going to fulfill my promise, the Canva app. Today we are going to make something on the Canva. That might be your logo, poster. I think so we should go for the poster. I'm going to design a poster. This poster is for, I think so we have to go for Hello June, Hello July. I think the Hello July is a more interesting thing. Oh my god, it's too much summer, and we all know that the summer is too much, and we should do the work of more interesting. You can see that this now you can see this first is replace, delete, color, effects, filter, adjust, crop, flip, animate, transparency, info, comment, lock, more, and just copy, paste, detach image, apply colors, lock. Oh my god, it's too much. And if you're going to this sign, you can see that template, elements, camera roll, uploads, text, photo styles, and much more. This is much more. Now I'm going to change please be awesome. I think so we should enjoy summer. Hello, the June is going to start, it was going to enter, but however I think so. Let's go up. Let's go bit with it. Actually, I should delete it. And I am going to enter more things. Just like this, I am going to enter summer. Summer always summer. The summer has always its own charms and its own activities. Just like that. Umbrella. The umbrella should be on the top, because the umbrella is very important. Hello. And the bottom must have some few more add-ons, and we should add sorry, it was a random moment and I have selected the wrong thing. And I think these are very interesting one, because the children will love this. Yes. And we can't go for the pro. The pro, as I have already told you, that the pro will ask for the proper subscription with a charging amount. So classes are over there. And I should put something on it. Yeah. The cheers. I think so, it's going there. That's a perfect one. I think so everybody will like it, and will, if something is missing, let me know about it, so we can just adjust it and just make a new one. And there is no sun here, because okay, you should add some sun. Yes, that's great. Sunglasses will come down, the sun go up. The sun is almost on the top, so sorry. No, that's great. So glasses, no glasses type. That's great. Now have a look. Now I'm going to just download it. Now that's ready, and I think this is a great winner. I have the link, and if anybody wants to make any Canva logos, and please, you can request me. And thank you very much. This app is amazing and I love it. Thank you.